Hey everybody, so I got a new water broom and undercarriage wand here for the pressure washer. Now this one was sent over to me to try out and they wanted me to show you everything that comes included. I will do a close-up of everything. We will hook it up and I'll do a demonstration with it. All right, let's look at everything that's in the box. We do have our extension wands. All right, so we do have our wand. We have our sprayer here. So we actually have a pretty nice pair of safety goggles from Honeywell. So that is nice that they do include that in here. And then you also have like this little tool here with a strap. The instructions, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Everything is pretty much already assembled for the most part, besides the wands. All right, so to control the angle with this, all you got to do is this little pin here. You're going to pull that out and just turn it a little bit and it will stay out. And then you just turn it until it clicks into the next hole. So if you put it down, then you'll be able to spray downward. I mean, you could easily change the angles to go forward, or you can go up, and you could have this go on either side. So I do like that. It's pretty easy to use. Let's go ahead and get it connected. I'm going to use my Sun pressure washer. We'll try it out. Now, one thing I really like is that it is very lightweight, and it does wheel super easily. This definitely wheels a lot better than the other sprayer I have. It just doesn't have the brush like the other one. But let's go ahead and hook it up to my Sun and we're going to try it out. All right, so we got it all set up, all hooked up. It's a little windier out here. Hopefully the mic isn't catching all that. But look how easy it is to glide it around. I will spray it without it being on or under anything. That way you can see how far it will spray. Oh, looks like I might still have a little bit of soap in the line too. But let's go ahead and try the undercarriage here. All right, so I mean, it definitely works. I'm seeing the dirt coming off. I'm going to try to move the camera. That way I can get a better angle where you can see it just a little bit better. It's long enough where you can get all the way up underneath there too. So you get the whole underside of your vehicle. Now, I'm not wearing them, but I will say, don't forget your safety depending on what you're working on. All right, so we are going to do the driveway now, or at least a spot to show you. Now, you could either spin that around by doing that little notch thing that I showed you, or you could just spin the whole thing because the handle itself will spin. Spin. I can't even talk. All right, let's try it on a driveway sidewalk type deal. And actually, I wonder if the camera's picking that up. Each nozzle just sprayed a nice clean path of jet spray of it. Yeah, we can see it in the camera here. But look, that's just one pass. Of course, you're going to want to move it around to clean up everything, but look at that. That actually works really well. Couple really quick passes here. I would say that this actually works really, really well. I like it. Now I want to try it, like spray it outwards some. All right, so like this, you'll be able to clean wider paths a little bit quicker, at least for like the dirt and stuff. And then if you want like the high pressure, have it facing directly downwards. All right, so overall, I'm gonna say this water broom is a fantastic tool. It works really well. I showed you where you can use it easily for like an undercarriage, and if you got a lower vehicle, of course, it's going to be a stronger jet as well. And I showed you cleaning like your driveway. They're great for sidewalks and stuff. All right, well, that was my quick demonstration of this water broom. Hopefully gives you a good idea what to expect with this one, and if it's something that you would like to use. I definitely can see a lot of uses with this one, a lot of cleaning I could do with it, and I will use this more during the springtime. Right now it's a little cold to really do much, but anyway, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.